So hello everybody, today we're gonna do a racing event. Evening. Let's see how well we can do this uncrashed simulator, FPV drone racing. Hello my opponent. Maybe a teammate, who knows. And I'll just go through a couple of things here. Oh no, right in the hotel. So this game requires some fine-tuning of the how would they called rates. Some fine-tuning of your drone angle, camera angle. And then fine-tuning your skills. And today I need to get higher because there is one teammate in CTC clan group which broke my record. I don't know what was the record, what it was, but we'll check it out shortly after this race. So, but the only way to beat him is to fly full speed, cut the corners, and hope we don't crash in any cars. And he has broken all of my records, map records that is. So this flight was quite nice. Still, but we have several corners to do. Yeah, that's what happens when we're going full speed. There's always an I crash. There is always the same thing. I keep on crashing until the finish line. So anyways, let's just check out what time we need to beat, and then we can send him his video, my video, how we actually have broken his records. Single player, it's High City, and it's leaderboard. He's 7th, and alright, I need to get 0.9 seconds. One of our teammates is 1st, the other is 4th. Zariamba is also our teammate, Kubi is also our teammate, and CCT is also teammates. Our teammate here, this is me, this is also a teammate. So I just need to beat him in this map. They say that you don't have cards in free race. But we'll see. I'm not here to cheat anybody. Another thing, if you increase the field of view to make everything larger, it actually is more easier for you to enter the gates. Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell. So I lost control a little bit there. Here's the car. Let's avoid the car. I always take this hairpin turn a little bit higher. Well, actually, I try to take it a little bit higher, and this is a really difficult turn because here you can easily hit the wall like I do here. So, let's just try to visualize. Where are we? We need to take it. Yeah. So, oh, okay, that fast. I didn't know that. No, the cars actually do work here. Alright. I didn't know. I always race multiplayers. Alright, this was quite good. Not so good. A little bit high. Then we do coming down. Alright. I think we will break the record today. It really depends if we can beat... What was that? It really depends whether we can beat the 7th place. So we need to get a little bit faster than 36.3 I think it was 36.3 seconds. Actually, I wonder how good are the pilots who fly real drones in such places, environments. And this drone doesn't charge out, but I think the sport drone's battery will get weaker and weaker. Right, somebody's... That's my old me passing me. Alright, now we crashed. Alright, and here it starts. Once this happens, I never... it just never stops crashing. It just keeps crashing and crashing. This is just like my personal glitch. One more time, I repeat. So we are still in front. That's good. No, no! Alright, we are in front. Ah! Why? 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 Actually, I would say when the Uncrashed released the second version update of physics, it took me a long time to get used to them. It took me around like 20 flight hours to get back. Alright, my friend is inviting me to race. Let's do that. So it took me around 20 hours to get back on it, and then I changed from DJI controller to Boxer controller, and it took me another 10 hours to get used to them. It actually, if I have spent 150 hours on the Sims, it's most of the time is just adapting to the new setup or the new version of physics. That fucker came out of nowhere. Alright, so a friend called me. I must join his server. So I don't know if he has a different map. And then he will not beat his record, but anyway. Jacob's record is also on different maps that needs to be beaten. Oh, this for me is a difficult map. Let's turn the lights off. And Parkhouse is one of the best pilots out there. He's very fast. He's like very fast. I don't hold any records on maps where I'm faster than him. He's super friendly. So he has many talents. Yeah, I thought that was lucky. That was a lucky that I entered that game, but still I crashed. So different map already. We didn't even start there. Oh. Alright, grandstand it is. I missed the gate. And those trails are bothering me sometimes. Park knows that he's faster than us, so he takes double laps. He takes 2 laps instead of he was 3 laps. Was it 2 or 3? I don't remember, but he takes additional laps just to get racing. Let's try. I don't actually remember what was my personal best here, but I feel confident that I can. I missed 2 gates already. 1 gate is sometimes around 3 to 4 seconds if I missed a gate, so it sums up a lot of seconds in the finish. I think I had 31 seconds top best. Yeah, 31, 32, 21, depends on which version. Hi. I think I can take the personal best time here. Alright, but you need to restart. There's like a training process that you can do. For me, for example, I could fly, not use full throttle throughout most of the map, like use only half throttle, maybe a little bit more than half, and then you in a way calibrate your speed, your controls, and then slowly increase your throttle higher and higher. Because the thing is, what happens is, if you use full throttle, you can easily have errors and lose a lot more time than just simply applying half throttle, for example. And also, learning happens a little bit faster if you use barely the let's say absolute minimum throttle that you can use. Never push it to the maximum. So then I think the training also happens a little bit farther. We are having, like, every evening we're having this race with Park and Jacob and another team members that will arrive shortly, that if we change the map only if somebody of us increases the personal best time on this map. So when you are actually flying very, very fast, it's very difficult to make a personal record, and even if you do, it increases by milliseconds. But if you are, like, let's say, a newbie like me, sometimes you can increase your personal record for several seconds. Let's say I'm 32 now, maybe I can jump easily to 29. So it's like a 3-second jump. I could fly really fast sometimes, but it really depends on if I crash or not, like here. So you need to do many flights until you have the luck of flying them clean, like a clean race luck. Yeah, I'm still eating. So the thing is about these FPV drones is actually addictive. I don't know why it's addictive. I used to play rally games, and you need to have a high concentration of focus when you play these rally games. But rally games are basically 2-dimensional. What it means is you only have a corner left or right. You don't pay too much attention whether there's an uphill or downhill. Here is 3-dimensional. Everything is absolutely 3-dimensional. You can hit the ground, you can hit the post, and the speeds are insane here. Compared to a car, we are going like 300 kilometers. Oh, maybe I'll have a personal best. Nah, almost. Park does very fast first turn. But I think I need to get 30 seconds. That was something I could get. But to get to those seconds, you need to cut corners badly, and that's the difficult part, I think. Sometimes even if you would fly slower, but cut the corners very sharply, you will actually be faster than just flying super fast and do really wide angle circles around the corner. If I crash once, it's like the rest of the map will be spent just crashing. And that's annoying. I don't know why. It's like cannot get back to the used previous trajectories or what. I don't know. Sometimes I don't even continue. I just wait when the next race starts. Kazasho has joined. By the way, if you wish to join our team, our group, feel free to just write me in the comments. I'll make a video description how you can join our group and join our races. Alright, let's make a not so fast approach. Let's put throttle maximum 75% and just try to make a clean run. I did put to the maximum. Sorry guys, I lied. There was another maximum, but still most of the time I try not maximum. Here was a nice sharp turn. I can see park the blue drone in front of me. 33 seconds, still a lot. But as you can see, if you don't apply too much throttle, you get less crashes, and then you can finish in faster times, and then you also learn faster. So, come on. I need to drink my tea. Let's go. Sometimes when I fly, I don't understand how can I fly that fast. You need to have like a maximum concentration. This is very wide. You need to have like a maximum concentration on. Oh, I passed park. Maximum concentration on the thing you're doing. When you are doing is you all right. You don't have like a time to think. You're like fully focused on the thing. I actually one time I thought maybe let's make a live hack. Fly one map super fast, let's say the road map where you can fly super fast all the time, and your reactions will get used to the speed you're flying. I bet Barclays is flying. Alright, really you could really get used to the flying speeds and then come to a smaller map and you'll have like a stronger reaction to it, like, because you know when you drive a car super fast, let's say 200 kilometers an hour, and then you start driving slowly, you feel like the car is barely, nearly, I don't know, it stands still at some points. Who put those posts there? Where am I? Who am I? Why am I? I don't know who counted those gates because I didn't went through those gates. So if you crash once, you keep on crashing. Just keep on crashing. As you can see, some some things I can do really fast, but it really boils down to making the entire map go fast. Alright, we'll go. I think I hit the post there. Went a little bit high. Going high you lose speed. Think I hit the wall there, but it helped me. Went a little bit wide. Ah, shit. Another hit. And another hit. And you just keep on crashing until the finish line. Yeah. That's how these things happen. Imagine how many race drones are being crashed. Physically, I mean, in those races. As you can see, Park is always the first. I think I need to do a couple of slow runs. Not maximum throttle. Actually, I want to buy my own drone and do some racing also, like a very good drone. Actually, in real life, I'm not that interested in racings. Alright, Parkhouse, let's watch him. He's already finished. He hasn't even started, so let's watch him race. I use angle 55, he uses angle, I guess it's up 45 or 44. Well, you can see how well he goes. Very sharp turn there. Here also. Alright, he does it. He has perfected that turn there. Alright. That was bad. Fun, but bad. Alright, Quark is in the house. Quark is also a good pilot. He's also in our group. Somebody left. The CRN left. May the best something happen. Alright, let's focus. You have to focus. Focus. Don't think. Sharper. I'm losing my concentration. I need to slow down. Ah, right. That's what happens. But I finished first, that's nice. By the way, Bitcoin price now is $104,000. And to me, I think Bitcoin will become the ultimate store of value. I think the Bitcoin's future, let's say in some 10 more years, is just like the very basics of currency storage, like gold, maybe something even above gold. Just look, I have 32 seconds my time, best time. Park is 25. I've finished, and it tells me what the fuck. Do some I was already finished, and only then he showed these guys that they have finished. I think to be good in FPV, you need to have at least 100 hours or so. On that will give you the basic principles. You will have comfort of flying. To do some flights, like I don't know, filming or something pretty easy. I think 20 hours will be pretty pure basics. It took me like the first 20 hours for me was really difficult, and after some 40-80 hours it was, I think I was already doing good. I thought I'm doing good to myself. But winning these guys on races, that's a different story, especially the Park House. Park House is around close to 1,000 hours, he said, and Smash is above 1,000 hours. Smash was the one guy in the first place on those maps. Oh, this was super wide. I lost some time there. I missed the gate. So, personal best dissolves. Let's watch Park. Alright, he was doing slow. So we didn't set a new personal best record, but in due respect to the players, we have to change the map. And it's also funny that many players are from different places of the world, of the planet, you could say. There was like Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Ukraine, France, Latvia, Czech, like as he's saying now, Romania. And I think I can make personal best in this map also. Go away, motor drivers. Something is lagging and the controls feel strange. China also here, many Chinese players. Sometimes there's just full server filled with people from China. The Chinese are also good pilots. Alright, a new personal best, 4 seconds faster. Let's check out Parks. Oh, he's still standing. He's doing something. Now you can see how Park flies. Just amazing. That was a nice turn around those. Alright, he missed. How he dives and cuts the corners. Just nice to see. I'm actually very good at desert map also. I think I was there around somewhere around 30th place or something, I don't know. I have the best time in High City. It's like 15th place. Actually, I don't remember. But it was like top 20. When I master a map, like train it, I could get normally around top 50. But when where I really push hard, train hard, above 20, I guess. We have 2 oranges, right? Let's take the dog. Ergodina. What's wrong with this player right here? Ah, he's very slow, you can see him there fly. We finished at 22 seconds, even faster than Park did finish. It's like, woo, nice. The Quark also. This is a difficult map, and it's a very long map compared to others. This map lasts like 40 seconds, and I think it's windy also here, so you have a little bit of random moves from the drone. And when you crash here, those crashes are really painful, especially in those containers, like I did here. So you lose a lot of time. So, but anyways, race is a race. It's so annoying. Why could those developers make a game that crashes are unrealistic, just bumps? Because it's really annoying and frustrating when you do very annoying moves and crashes unpredictable. I bet Park is already finished. Has already finished. I need to warm up on this map a little. I have hit this speed limit sign many times. Alright. All right, let's go to desert because in desert we will have faster rotations because the one pilot there, like he was like a new player. He flies really slow. So desert map is a difficult map, but it's not a long map. But it's difficult to fly it at full speed, so I'll just fly slower at the beginning to a little bit warm up, and then I'll fly faster at the end. See what I mean?